Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov and I continue with the series of videos where I show live examples and as well I do analysis for the Bitcoin. So if you have seen already the cryptocurrency investment strategy course, you will know that I analyze the Bitcoin and I buy the smaller cryptocurrencies out there because they gain much faster and they bring us more profits. Alright, so what I have since the last video, I had another fake entry, I can say so, right over here. This was the first one, then right here was the second one, and then the price dropped again. But then it did the move I was waiting for, and I had one more entry right at that point because I had a failure of the recent low, and you can notice where is my counter trend line right through this top, starting from here. Actually it's an aggressive counter trend line, a little bit lower than the initial counter trend line, and here was the break, impulsive break upwards. Okay, that's what I want to have ideally as an impulsive break straight through the counter trend line, but you can see right here and right here what we had. Okay, kind of fake, I call them fake entries, they are entries. Okay, at that moment I had my setup, so I entered, and then right here I had my setup, so I entered, and that was a good move. And this is how I average the prices. So let me put circles on the chart so you will know exactly where were the entries. So here was the first one, then the next one was right over here, and then the next one was right over here. Okay, so you see that every time I buy on a better price, and this way I achieved to have a better average price for all the assets. What I've bought this time is the DNT, this top gainer that we had from the last month, and here it was. If I go to weekly, you will see it's just going sideways. If I go to monthly, it's just sideways. So I expect more from this small crypto, and I've bought it on a little bit cheaper price from where I sold it when taking the profit with it, okay? Which is the thing I'm looking for. And then one more time, I have my target from the Fibonacci up in the 18,000. Let's see one more time where it is, 18,790. Still that target is far, about $2,600 higher, but that's the Bitcoin, okay? I think it is very possible to reach it by the end of 2020. We'll see how it goes, and I think if it reaches it, there will be a lot of profits from my portfolio, from all the cryptos that I've bought till the moment, and I think that there will be more entries that I will be happy to take. Bitcoin has surprised us many times, it will keep surprising us, so take advantage of it and follow the system strictly, okay? Don't fall under emotions to buy more or less. Divide it by different entries like what I'm showing in the videos, and you will see how nicely it works. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. If you have found the video useful, don't forget to like it, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now would be the best time to do it. Cheers!